Hi, can I pet your dog?
Seriously?
What?
You just shit on his head.
Do you want to play tag?
What?
Do you want to play tag?
No. Fuck you, nigga.
What?
Fucking back off me. What the fuck?
Dude, I was want to ask if I want to play tag. What the?
What are you recording, motherfucker?
Do you not want to play? Zach, play tag.
No. That was sorry. Can I help you?
I think you're beautiful. Is that your monster?
Yeah.
Can I have a sip?
No.
All right.
Are you retarded?
I just shit on you. I'm gonna do it again.
You wanna get knocked the fuck out in this store, bro?
You want me to shit on your shopping cart again?